So guys, we're back with a quick video today. This is my mother-in-law's Chevy Traverse, and her door hinge down here is wore out and bad. So we're going to go ahead and get this changed. Should be a pretty straightforward process. I'm just going to put a jack underneath the door to support it while I unbolt that hinge. So I'm going to get this jacked up and get the camera set up here and try to unbolt this. We'll see how this goes. So these bolts, the inside ones here are 10 millimeter and the ones on the other side are 13. There's 3 over here. One you got to get from back here, the other 2 you can reach from the front, and there's 2 on the inside. Boy, we're going to have to use a wrench on that one. Gear wrench to the rescue. And that one's out. So since I got the other bolts on the door out, right in there's those 2 bolts you got to get. I'm just going to see. Nope, I can't push on it and get any more up. So I got a swivel, and I'm going to put it on my cordless ratchet. I'm going to try to set this camera here so you can see it. Try to do this without scratching everything up. I don't know if it's going to happen or not. Got that bolt. There's the last bolt. Pick up on this door and slide it out. And there's the old hinge. As you can see, this roller right here is wore. It was cracking really loud whenever she would open and close the door. And here's the replacement. So, should be pretty straightforward and easy. Just slide it back in here. However, I'm gonna have to get it rolled back into this position to where it's locked in there like this one so I can get it back in here. So to open this up, I literally just took my big pair of channel locks and just squeezed the spring a little bit, and you can roll it right where it needs to go. So now I can get this one shoved in here. It helps you put it in the right way. Alright, I'm going to go back on the outside and put the bolts in real quick. So I got those bolts stuck in there. I just got to get them ran in and tightened up a little bit here. So in order to get that bottom one in back there, I twisted it in with my fingers and came into the inside here to put a wrench on it because I couldn't get the socket back on it outside. I'm going to try to make sure I got all the bolts started before I tighten anything up. And I'll let the jack down and check it to see how it shuts. Still sounds like it's binding up. And it dropped. What is going on here? Alright. So upon inspection, I need to loosen these bolts and pull this whole hinge towards me and tighten it up. And that should take care of it. It should be back in line where it goes then. So to do this, I just loosened the bolts up and grabbed the door right here on the bottom. And literally pull the bottom to me. You can see how that hinge is sliding. And I'm going to tighten this bolt up to hold it whenever I do that. Oh, of course. Alright, before I tighten them all down, I'll check this real quick. Now we're up just a little bit too high. Just playing with the adjustments. Right there's where we want it. All right. And you can see it shuts where it's supposed to now. I'm going to tighten all the bolts up and that's it. You're done.